2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 12,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.